No!
Glide to the ground.
I would hope that it would. Don't tell me things like this would happen.
I don't know, it looks kind of flimsy. Maybe with the wind.
No, it's
break
not.
with the wind.
It's not gonna break with the wind.
It's
I
not gonna
promise.
break
I
with
know it's not.
Okay, look up at the Ferris wheel when we come back around, okay?
That feels so weird.
It does.
I feel the whole thing shudder.
I know. Just don't let the camera.
I think the camera is like glued to me, so it's fine.
Good. We hit the ground every time.
I think I can get you better than I can get me.
You'll get that phase all right.
Oh, my chest bone hurts.
I don't know why yours does. My boobs are there.
Oh my gosh, this is so exhausting. I feel like I'm actually.
I'm using my energy to actually fly.
Oh, I could do this forever, I think.
I know.
This feels really relaxing.
It does.
Oh, it's coming out.
I wonder if they like measure to see if they've got enough room to
Huh?
hit anything. I wonder if they measure to see if they're not going to hit anything.
Well, I think that's what the things are for.
Oh yeah. We fly over them though.
Remember when we...
Superman.
Oh, look at me while we're spinning. No, I meant like just look.
Oh.